The familiar ice cream truck tune is now getting an overhaul with the help of Wu-Tang founder and producer RZA. Good Humor says the widely used jingle "Turkey in the Straw" has racist roots. And while Good Humor says they've not owned ice cream trucks since the 1970s, as a leader in the industry, they wanted to be a part of the solution. So they're working with RZA to create the new jingle, which is available to ice cream truck drivers nationwide. There's a link in our story to listen to the song. Katie Johnston for CBSNewYork.com.